What's a Stirling engine?
This is a Stirling engine.
But how does it work? Okay, so the Stirling engine runs off of expanding and contracting air. The air expands in the pressure vessel when heated, pushing the balloon up. The balloon rotates the crankshaft, which moves the displacement cylinder within the pressure vessel. The displacement cylinder allows the air to be heated, then displaces it away from the heat, so that it cools, contracts, and starts the cycle over again.
Now let's go take a look inside the Stirling engine.
So, this is the flywheel. It has two weights on it, one on either side, to counterbalance the weight of the displacement cylinder. This right here is the crankshaft. As you can see, it's bent specially so that it will run the Stirling engine. It has a 90-degree throw to it, which is the ideal throw for a Stirling engine. These right here are the support beams that hold up the crankshaft. This is the power piston. It's just a piece of PVC pipe with a balloon on the end. However, this one has been modified to have a piston instead of a balloon. The air comes out of this hole in the side of the can right here and expands into the balloon to push the crankshaft. Inside of this, we have the displacement cylinder. The displacement cylinder moves up and down like this and moves the air around inside of the can to get it close to or far away from the heat. This little device seals it when it's filled with, we fill it with oil so that the air can't escape from there, and it also lubricates it to reduce resistance.
In this project, we had to make a Stirling engine. A Stirling engine is an engine that runs on temperature differentials. Hot air expands and gets bigger, and cold air contracts and gets smaller. This thing is called the Stirling heat cycle. One of the most important parts of the engineering process is research. We had to research all about the Stirling engine before this. We watched videos on YouTube, and read things on Wikipedia, and we had this guy come in and talk to us about a Stirling engine he made. It was great.
Hello there, Rocne here. I'm here to tell you about planning. One of the things we did in this project was to take a plan that someone used for their college final as a senior project, and we used that plan as our freshman engineering Stirling engine. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so we took that plan and we decided to make the thing that the plan described, which was a Stirling engine. Along the path of that, we tried to do some things that would aid us to success. Alright, Rocne here again. Today, I'm going to tell you about how we created the Stirling engine. One key ingredient in the Stirling engine was tin cans. Also soda pop cans and RTV silicone. Another main thing was super glue. Lots and lots of super glue. And then, after it was all assembled, we tried to see if it ran. And some did and some didn't. But that's how we created the Stirling engine.
Because we're super smart engineers, we don't only take stupid college student plans and make them, we had to engineer stuff. Because that's what we do best. So we had to take the designs and make them better. We can do that many ways, such as, look at this footage of a piston. Welcome back to Robbie and Rocne's great Stirling engine project write-up video. So, we could do many things, including to help engineer the Stirling engine better. We could use more super glue. We could make it better, because that's what an engineer does. Remember that, kids.